5. We have G.Skill KM250 RGB, the best budget gaming keyboard. Looking for a budget-friendly gaming keyboard that doesn't compromise on quality? G.Skill KM250 RGB excels in providing excellent features without breaking the bank. This keyboard impresses with hot-swappable Kyle Red switches. They offer a smooth and responsive experience, ideal for gamers who enjoy fast-paced action. Easily replace switches when you want to try different types, making it a versatile option. PBT keycaps deliver durability, resisting wear and tear better than cheaper plastic alternatives. RGB lighting shines brightly through its pudding keycaps, adding flair to your gaming setup. Enjoy vibrant colors that enhance your gameplay without needing software. Navigate through lighting effects directly on the device, making changes a breeze. An adjustable volume knob delivers convenience, letting you control sound effortlessly during intense sessions. While the lightweight plastic frame feels surprisingly sturdy, minor sound dampening could improve the typing experience. Key presses sound a touch hollower than higher-end models, yet they remain functional. Though PBT keycaps lack the texture of premium options, they still outshine typical ABS keycaps in budget keyboards. What stands out most? Its ability to deliver solid features for a low investment. Despite slight sound issues, you'll find G.Skill KM250 RGB performs admirably. You get functionality while avoiding unnecessary software. For a dependable budget gaming keyboard that meets your needs, this model truly shines.